Ito pong China Daily, naglabas po ng isang AI-generated video kung saan pinaportray po yung mga Pilipino na isang unggoy at kontrolado ng US at saka ng Japan. 'Di ba? Meron silang mga images doon no? Tapos matinding gaslighting dito. And then ang sagot dito ng ambassador ng China to Manila, dumistansya po siya, 'di ba? Hindi naman daw nila nakikita yung bawat content na nilalabas. What's your reaction to this? This is state media, state-controlled media. Tapos biglang all of a sudden, dahil matinding backlash, biglang teka muna, 'di ba? Dumistansya sila.
Well, actually that's part of their yung kanilang three warfares, no? The first warfare is propaganda. To intimidate us. At saka to delegitimize our claim, to humiliate us. Kasama na yan eh. That is part of their propaganda warfare. So we should look at it that way and tell them that is racist, that's ridiculous, that's that's not a legitimate argument, and i-challenge na natin. Why don't we just react by challenging them? Okay, let's bring this territorial dispute in the West Philippine Sea. Who has sovereignty over Scarborough Shoal and the Calayan Island Group? Bring it to the International Court of Justice. Yun ang sagot dapat natin. Atras yan. They will never agree kasi matatalo sila eh.
Yun nga. Dahil maliwanag sa territorial dispute sa atin.
Yeah, maliwanag pero yung DFA natin, pinapahina nila by agreeing na hindi tayo, we cannot go there. In fact, sabi nila, we will expand it to the entire West Philippine Sea. So how we cannot go to Pag-asa anymore without first notifying China and then sitting down with China and papakita natin kung anong dadalay natin doon sa Pag-asa.
Opo. Justice, I'm trying to make sense of this position by the DFA, no? Lalo yung sinasabi nyo na they plan to expand it dito sa West Philippine Sea. Ano ba yung nakikita yung pwedeng konteksto? Kung mag-ilagay natin yung sarili natin sa kanilang mga sapatos, why would they even consider that? Mas matindi ba yung pressure ngayon from China?
Well,
I mean, is there something that changed?
Well, first of all, these are the possible reasons, no? Possible reasons. One, they do not know what they're doing. Second, there is an influence by China. I mean, I'm not saying there is, but that's possibilities, no? Kasi you're asking what are the possible reasons, but ginagawa natin ito. Parang hinahampas natin ang ulo natin sa pader. Totally senseless. So, dito sa dalawang possibilities, the only one that's feasible is they do not know what they're doing. Kasi hindi we cannot say na they are cooperating with China.
Hindi naman. Yung nga lang, yung mga ganitong decision, yung provisional agreement, parang kinakain natin yung sarili nating karapatan eh. Parang tayo pa yung pumayag na maglagay ng checkpoint sa sarili nating bakuran.
Yeah. That's it. I really cannot understand